going on, everybody? It's your boy, Always in Boost GT500, coming at you with my first vlog, my first vlog, whatever you want to call it. I'm so excited to finally get off my ass, stop being lazy, and start a YouTube channel, man. A lot of my friends has been pushing me to do this for a long time because I get a lot of questions on what's done to my car, how fast it is, blah, blah, blah. You know, and what better way is to just catch it on film, get on video, man. Raw, authentic. A lot of people's gonna ask what Always in Boost stand for. Always in Boost. It's an Autogroup me and my best friend started back in 2001, and it's a bunch of guys that just love cars, love going to the track, love racing, and it's just a brotherhood, man. We do everything car related, man. Everything car related. But with that being said, today, as you see in the back, you see my car in the trailer. I'm on my way to Delaware. It's about a 2-hour drive to go to C&DAutotech to get some things installed. Today I've been installing my PNR 7-gallon ice tank, which I've been dying to do for such a while, such a long time. I believe we're going to be doing the BPS rad support, so I should drop a few pounds off the front, maybe if I have time, if we have time. I think he might be doing the transmission fluid flush as well. But with that being said, man, I mean, that's what it's all about. It's the car stuff, man. I love cars. Everyone in my group loves cars, and that's it, man. I want to show you the car, but first, check out your boy Kicks, man. Check out your boy Kicks. You can't have a dope car unless you have some dope kicks. You can't get out your car with some bobos and sneakers looking dusty and dirty after you got thousands of dollars into it. Everything gotta be fit, you know. Everything has to be fit. But I'm gonna show you guys the car. I don't want to get hit, because again, this is my first time doing this video. I'm sure you're gonna hear all types of sounds, and it's cold. You can see my breath right now, but you know what? I don't care. It's cool because I'm happy. I'm about to get some stuff done to the car on my day off of work. As you can see, my baby right here. I call it Papa Smurf. I'm sure you guys have heard that term many a times, but this is my Papa Smurf, goddammit. That's all I care about, you know. I'm not new to this car game. You know, anyone that knows me, this is not my first project. I have many projects. I've built a Z06 Vet, a Honda hatchback, an Acura Integra GSR. I had an SRT4. I had a bunch of cars, man. So this is definitely not my first project. As you see, this is my 2010 GT500. Ain't she pretty, man? With a BMR hood, well racing wheels with the drag pack on it. You know, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little walk around without getting hit by a car at the same time, you know. But when I get to the shop, I'm gonna give you guys a briefing on what's done to the car, how much power I'm making as it sits right now. So a lot of things already been done. I had this car since 2011. Has very low miles. I don't even think I have 20,000 miles. I might have like 21,000 miles on it. But if anyone that knows this car also and knows me, this car has been a roller coaster, man. Let me tell you, it has been a roller coaster. I'm on my third built motor. I will get into all that later or another time. But I'll definitely capture that and, you know, the issues I was having. But with that being said, I'm going to shut this video down. I got like an hour-and-a-half drive to the shop. And when I get to the shop, let's start this video back on. I go over the ice tank. You guys can see it, where it's going to be installed. All right. Not want to get hit by the car. But see you guys soon. What's going on, guys? Always in Boost GT500 back at you. Finally made it here at C&DAutotech. Drive was kind of painful, a lot of traffic, but we made it here safe and sound, me in the car. Obviously you see it on the lift here. Chuck is one of the owners over at C&D. He's already getting to work, as you can see. Say hi, Chuck.
What's wrong?
Chuck is the man, So like I was telling you guys, man, I'll give you a brief breakdown on what's already done to the car. You know, Chuck's been through this roller coaster ride with me, like I said earlier in the video. So right now I'm running the Kenny Bell 2.8 supercharger, L&M engines built motor with a 5.8 aluminum block. Obviously, because you know the 2010s came with 5.4, but we destroyed that block. So yeah, 2 times, 3 times. 3 times. So we feeling confident right now. You know, we're feeling real confident right now. So this winter we be turning her up. So it's a lot more things gonna be happening.
Whipple, thanks to Jason Texaria.
Yep. So the Kenny Bell will be scrapped off, and we'll be going with the Whipple 3.0 Gen 5. Thanks to Jason at 1320 Junkies.
New 3.0.
Yes, sir. Big power.
Can't wait.
What we looking for, man? How much we looking? I mean, right now, guys, a car made around, I think, with 18 pounds with C16. I think we was, what, 890, 900? 890?
I don't know. We'll make all the horsepower.
Yeah. So, you know, that's where we are right now. As you can see, everything is already done. Got the wheels I showed you earlier. All BMR suspension in the back. See if you guys can see that. So yeah, we'll be making big power, man. We'll also be going to E85 this winter, right, Chuck? This winter, E85. So a lot of changes, man. A lot of changes. So like I said earlier, we're going to be installing this nice, beautiful piece of PNR ice tank, 7-gallon. Got the hose in here. We got the Davis Craig pump. It's already on the tank already. Beautiful, man. Hopefully, this is one of the issues that helps us with the IETs to come down, man. Because, you know, heat kills everything. So we don't want that. Definitely minimize the heat. We're still going to do the Amsoil for the transmission flush. We got the BMS rad supports we're gonna do today. Oh, BPS. I'm sorry, BPS. BPS. Billet Pro Shop rad support, and hopefully we can drop some weight with this and taking the factory stuff off. So, there's not much else here, man. The tank goes right in the trunk. Hopefully in the video, you know, when I restart the video again, everything will be installed and running. When we hang out with Chuck, see some of his work. His race car right here, another GT500, fully built. You know, we like raw, authentic shops, guys. We don't need no fancy dancy, glamorous showrooms. You know. One day. We work what we got right now. Definitely work what we got right now. I wanted to take you guys outside, man. Show you this other Mustang that's outside. Follow me. It's dope. It's monster. Monster, man. Definitely a monster. Wait till you guys see this, man. Nice Coyote 5.0, man. Look at this. Really cool in the front. The real deal, man. He's been with me throughout this whole journey with my car, and hopefully this season, man, we can do something. Hopefully we can do something this season. You know. Yeah. So I'm gonna get back in the shop, see if I can help Chuck with some stuff. I mean, some stuff. I am far from being a mechanic. Everyone knows that. Now you're gonna try to act like I know I'm doing them when it comes to working on the car. I don't turn wrenches at all. So I'm only good for reading instructions, handing tools, holding the flashlight. That's it. Okay, helps out, right? So I'm gonna end this video now. Hopefully in a couple hours, depending on how long it takes us. And I'll restart the video and I'll come back to you guys. The tank will be installed up and running. The new rad support will be inside, and we go from there. See you guys later. Working Chuck, working man, this guy. Alright guys, so Chuck just finished taking off the factory radiator support, and then we'll see how much it weighs. So this is the factory, we put it on the scale. and it weighs at 17.1 pounds for the factory versus the new BPS supports both brackets 1.5 pounds. Wow. Wow.
We're also taking the sway bar off,
Wow.
which is going to be another 15 to 20 pounds.
Wow. So that's a good weight reduction right there, guys. Definitely good weight reduction. After we're done installing everything, I would definitely put everything in the description below where you can order. But that's that's great. Big difference. Big difference. I don't know if I showed you guys also. I don't have the TR6060 trans. I have the Magnum XL T56 trans in here.
They're almost the same.
Yeah. So, we're making progress. We're making progress. We are making progress. So. But we're gonna go grab some lunch. Gotta eat. Need the mechanic nice and healthy. Gotta eat. So, see you guys in a little bit. Almost done, guys. Almost done. Just do a little button up. Put the bumper back on. The wheels back on. Truck is finishing. Coolant. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll wire it up. Just want to give you guys another update on where we are right now. Ice tank is pretty much done. We just, as you can see here, putting the new transmission for oil fluid in. I don't know if you can see the BPS rad support mounts are in. Let me get you a little light. I guess we don't have the light yet. You get the drift. Let's see. Here you go. Yeah. Light's terrible, but you get the drift. It's in. So. Almost done, man. Almost done. Everything came out good, nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Check back in with you guys in a minute. Alright guys, we finally done. Chuck did an amazing job. PNR ice tank is fully installed. We have the coolant inside, the pump, drain. That's it, man. Anything you want to say, brother?
She all good, man.
Alright, that's what we like.
One step closer to the nines.
That's what we chasing.
2020, nines.
That's what we chasing. Appreciate everyone watching. Please hit that like and that subscribe button. Support your boy. I will put everything in the description down below. Chuck information for his shop at C&D down in Delaware. I'll put in all the parts that we installed today down in the description. I hope y'all like what you see. You know, I hope I can continue to, give you guys more content. I'll be seeing Chuck again very soon for the next process of the car. Thanks for watching. Oh, and another thing. I'll also put in for the Always in Boost merch in the description as well. Follow my team on Instagram, on Facebook. Thanks for watching, everybody.